Hi, my name is Gabe with Ultimate Water, and today we are going to review the side of the Chlorine Genie RT30 unit. These parts and components are key to understanding how the Chlorine Genie works, as well as providing insight into how each component affects the performance of the unit. Let's start with the water intake at the actuated ball valve. When the unit is on, the ball valve opens to allow water to flow into the unit, and when the unit is off, the ball valve will close to prevent the water flow. From the ball valve, water flows through the copper cooling tubes to regulate the temperature of the power supply cabinet and prevent overheating. From there, water flows into the anti-scale filter, which dissolves hardness minerals into microscopic particles. Once hardness has been broken down, the reverse osmosis cartridge filters out the remaining hardness by separating the water into two streams. One stream is filtered soft water that drips into the brine tank. The softened water prevents the hard water from leaving deposits inside the unit, which can lead to the cell being damaged. The other stream is the untreated hard water that flows through a flow restrictor and then into the mixing chamber inside the unit via the P-trap. This water absorbs chlorine gas, and the chlorinated water is dispensed into the pool. The P-trap also prevents excess chlorine gas from backflowing into other sections of the unit, and all excess gas is vented off at the chlorine vent tube. Whether the Chlorine Genie is installed via float feeder, venturi, or direct line to the pool, all chlorinated water exits the unit via the chlorine output. In this example, the chlorinated water is dispensed from the float feeder and into the chlorine output line. The float feeder is the mechanism that regulates the rate at which the water is dispensed. There is a secondary ball valve at the bottom of the float feeder to ensure air and the water aren't pulled through the Genie while it's off. The pH discharge valve is located near the bottom of the unit and can be opened or closed based on the needs of the pool's pH. Now that you understand the side components of the Chlorine Genie, you should have a good understanding of how the water flows through the unit. Thanks for watching.